everyone. Welcome back to Search Hive. Today, we're diving into the world of success and exploring the daily routines that can help you transform your life. We'll be sharing 10 habits of highly successful people that you can start implementing today. So, let's get started. Habit number 1 is waking up early. Successful people often start their day before the sun rises, giving them a head start on the day. This extra time allows them to focus on their goals, exercise, or even enjoy some quiet time before the day begins. Habit number 2 is regular exercise. Successful people understand the importance of a healthy body and mind. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and increase your productivity. Habit number 3 is prioritizing tasks. Successful people know how to manage their time effectively by focusing on the most important tasks first. Create a to-do list each day and tackle the most critical tasks before moving on to less urgent ones. Habit number 4 is continuous learning. Successful people are always looking for ways to improve themselves and their skills. Dedicate time each day to reading, listening to podcasts, or taking online courses to expand your knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. Habit number 5 is networking. Building strong relationships with others in your industry can open doors to new opportunities and help you grow professionally. Attend events, join online forums, and reach out to others to expand your network. Habit number 6 is setting clear goals. Successful people know where they want to go and create a roadmap to get there. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, achievable milestones and review your progress regularly. Habit number 7 is practicing gratitude. Successful people recognize the importance of being grateful for what they have. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for to cultivate a positive mindset. Habit number 8 is embracing failure. Successful people understand that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Instead of dwelling on setbacks, they learn from their mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth. Remember, every failure brings you one step closer to success. Habit number 9 is maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Successful people know the importance of taking breaks and spending time with loved ones. Make sure to set boundaries between your work and personal life to avoid burnout and maintain overall well-being. Last but not least, habit number 10 is staying persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it takes dedication and hard work to achieve your goals. Stay focused on your vision and don't let obstacles deter you from your path. And there you have it. These are the 10 habits of highly successful people that can help you transform your life. Start incorporating these habits into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your own success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Search Hive for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.